Have you ever stood in the vitamin aisle of a supermarket or scrolled through pages of supplements online and wondered whether better health might simply be one bottle away? Every year, millions of people spend enormous amounts of money on capsules, powders, and tablets that promise more energy, stronger immunity, better sleep, sharper thinking, and a longer life. The choices seem endless, and the marketing often makes it sound as though the right combination of supplements could solve almost any health problem. But before you fill another shopping basket with products promising extraordinary results, there is one important question worth asking. What does science actually say? The first thing to understand is hidden in the name itself. They are called dietary supplements because they are designed to supplement a healthy lifestyle, not replace one. A supplement can provide nutrients that may be missing from your diet or support specific needs under certain circumstances, but it cannot undo the effects of poor sleep, chronic stress, physical inactivity, or a diet lacking the nutrients your body depends on every day. No capsule can replace habits that your biology has relied on throughout human history. Imagine trying to grow a beautiful garden. If the soil is dry, the plants receive very little sunlight, and they are never watered properly. Adding expensive fertilizer will have only a limited effect. The fertilizer may help, but it cannot compensate for the missing foundations that allow the garden to thrive. Your body works in much the same way. Supplements can support good health, but they cannot create it on their own. The foundation is still built through movement, nourishing food, restorative sleep, and the countless small choices that quietly shape your well-being over time. This perspective is surprisingly liberating because it shifts the focus away from searching for the perfect product and back toward the habits that consistently make the greatest difference. Modern research continues to show that the largest improvements in long-term health usually come from surprisingly simple behaviors repeated over many years. Supplements may have their place, but they are rarely the starting point. Instead of asking which pill promises the biggest transformation, perhaps the better question is whether your daily habits are already giving your body what it has needed all along. Ironically, this isn't disappointing news, it's empowering. Because while we can't control every aspect of our health, the foundations are already within our reach. And unlike the latest supplement trend, they don't change every few months. They have worked for generations, and science continues to confirm their remarkable importance. This doesn't mean supplements are useless, quite the opposite. Modern medicine has shown that certain supplements can provide meaningful benefits when they address a genuine need. The important distinction is that they work best when they solve a specific problem rather than being taken with the hope that more automatically means better. Your body is an incredibly sophisticated system, and it responds to balance far more effectively than to excess. One of the best-known examples is vitamin D. Since it is produced in the skin through exposure to sunlight, many people living in northern climates may have lower levels, particularly during the winter months. In those situations, supplementation may be appropriate, ideally based on medical advice or blood test results. The same principle applies to several other nutrients. Some people benefit from additional vitamin B12, especially those following plant-based diets. Others may require extra iron, although this should never be taken without confirming a deficiency, because both too little and too much iron can affect health. Omega-3 fatty acids are another area that has received significant scientific attention. For people who rarely eat oily fish, supplementation may help support normal heart and brain function. Magnesium is also widely studied and may be beneficial for individuals whose dietary intake is insufficient or who have increased requirements. In recent years, creatine has attracted growing scientific interest far beyond the world of sports. Research suggests that it can support muscle health, healthy aging, and physical performance, particularly when combined with regular resistance training. Protein supplements can also be practical, not because protein powder is somehow superior to real food, but because it can help people meet their daily protein needs when busy lifestyles make this difficult. What all of these examples have in common is that they are targeted. None of them replaces a healthy lifestyle, and none should be viewed as a universal solution for everyone. Your age, diet, health status, activity level, and even where you live all influence your nutritional needs. This is why responsible science avoids one-size-fits-all recommendations. Instead, it encourages understanding your own body and making decisions based on evidence rather than marketing promises. Perhaps the most valuable lesson is that supplements should never be chosen because they are popular. They should be chosen because they make sense for your individual situation. When used thoughtfully, they can become helpful tools, but they remain exactly what their name suggests: supplements to a healthy foundation, never a substitute for one. Perhaps the most valuable lesson from everything we've explored throughout this series is that your body has never been asking you to become perfect. It has never expected flawless discipline, endless willpower, or a cupboard full of expensive supplements. Instead, it responds to something much simpler and far more powerful: consistency. Every healthy meal, every good night's sleep, every walk, every strength workout, and every moment you choose to care for yourself sends another signal that your body understands. Those signals accumulate quietly over time until they become the foundation of your future health. Supplements can certainly become part of that picture, and for many people, they play an important role. When chosen carefully and used for the right reasons, they may help correct nutritional deficiencies, support specific health conditions, or complement an already healthy lifestyle. But they should never carry the weight of expectations that belongs to your daily habits. No vitamin can replace movement. No capsule can compensate for chronic sleep deprivation. No powder can undo years of highly processed food or constant stress. Your biology simply doesn't work that way. The encouraging news is that this puts the greatest power exactly where it belongs, in your everyday decisions. You don't have to wait for the perfect product to become healthier. You don't need a complicated routine that only works under ideal circumstances. You simply need to keep giving your body the conditions it has evolved to thrive in: real food, regular movement, restorative sleep, moments of recovery, meaningful relationships, time outdoors. These may not sound revolutionary, yet they remain the most powerful investments you can make in your long-term well-being. If there is one message I hope you take away from this series, it is this: your health is not built by dramatic transformations. It is built by ordinary moments repeated with intention. Every staircase you choose to climb, every nourishing meal you prepare, every hour of sleep you protect, and every challenge you decide to face becomes another vote for the person you are becoming. Progress is rarely created by one extraordinary decision. More often, it grows quietly through hundreds of small choices that almost seem insignificant until one day you look back and realize how much they have changed your life. If you enjoyed this series, please subscribe, because there are many more fascinating discoveries waiting to be explored together. After all, the greatest investment you will ever make isn't in a supplement, a gadget, or a trend. It's in the remarkable body that has been working for you every single day of your life.